NPE 2015. I'm here with Jeff from Slide. You can tell us a little bit about what Slide does and what they do.
Well, Slide's been around since 1953. We're an aerosol and bulk packager of primarily processing aids for the plastics industry. Injection, molding, rotomolding, compounding, extrusion. Just about every asset that plastic industry has, we have products for. We primarily have distributors in the United States, but we have over 250 worldwide. The next biggest markets would be Latin America and Canada.
Okay, great. Could you tell us a little bit about what you brought to NPE this year?
What we brought to NPE this year is a plethora of products that we've always offered. We're constantly based on questions and tailor-made products, so our line is constantly increasing, whether it be mold releases, rust preventatives, FDA approvals, or purging compounds. We're constantly trying to meet the demands of ever-changing resins and types of plastics, and how much plastics is replaced in the marketplace that used to be supplied by concrete, steel, things like that.
Could you talk a little bit more about your purging compounds? What does that involve? What are you doing with the purging compounds?
Our purging compounds are chemical purges with the exception of one. The market has always been filled with a lot of mechanical purges, whereas ours are a destabilizing polymer type of purge where you're using much less time, much less material, and getting back into production as quick as possible, whether you're changing resins or changing from one color to another color.
Okay, fantastic. I mean, I see you have quite a bit of products around here. You've got these sprays and things like that. Could you talk a little bit more about what you maybe have here at the table too?
Our biggest category, probably number of products, is mold releases. These are all three examples of mold releases. Mold releases are barrier coatings. The necessity for them is to make sure that, depending on the part, what it's made out of, it releases from the mold itself to give a good cosmetic finish if that's what's necessary, or just a good finish in general, if it's a structural part. We also have rust preventatives, greases, and lubricants of all different types for lots of peripheral uses around the machine, whether it be greasing the platens or rust preventing the molds when they're in storage.
So are you working on anything new? You have any new products or new things that you're working on that you brought here to NPE?
Well, from an overall category product type that we're working on is, in each of our categories, the demand in the medical and the food application industry has grown to expand the products that we have that are FDA, USDA approved, and the NSF logo, which is prevalent now in the industry, which is a recertification to make sure that the products you're using are either suitable for direct food contact, indirect food contact.
That's really important.
It's very important.
Yeah, so there's more kind of restrictions on what can be used, what materials can be used,
right,
things like that.
And much more definitive reporting is the biggest thing.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's good.
More and more of our products aren't allowed in plants unless they have that type of reporting system in place. So we have to have the products in place that have the proper authorizations.
Okay, that's awesome. Okay. Well, Jeff, thanks for speaking with me.
Thank you.
I like your booth, and good luck the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.